Now let's look at working with probability. A die is rolled. Find the probability of rolling, and then we're going to have 4 different choices. First of all, let's make sure we understand that probability can be evaluated by figuring out the number of ways that an event can happen, divided by the number of ways the thing that we're doing is possible. So for instance, what we're doing here is rolling a die. A die has 6 sides. Let's find the probability of rolling a 2. A probability here would equal the number of ways getting a 2 could happen. There's only one side of the die with a 2 on it, divided by the number of ways we could possibly come up with a result, and that would be 6 ways. So the probability of rolling a 2 is going to equal 1/6. Part B, the probability of coming up with a number less than 4. Well, let's just list our possibilities. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of those, 3 are going to be less than 4. So there are 3 possible ways to come up with a number less than 4 out of the 6 possible ways to end up with a result once we roll a die. And we can reduce this to 1/2. What is the probability of coming up with a number greater than 7? Well, how many ways can we get a number greater than 7? There are 0 ways out of 6 possible, so therefore that's equal to 0. Notice that if we come up with a probability of 0, this is an impossible event. That's what that signifies. How about a number less than 7? Well, once we roll the die, we're going to come up with 1 through 6, one of these numbers, all of which are less than 7. So there are 6 ways to come up with that out of our 6 possible ways, and that's equal to 1. Notice that if we come up with a probability equal to 1, then what we have is an event that is certain to occur.